Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just want to give you a half an idea of what you're going to see in this video. It's pretty fun, I gotta say. So we started out going on the trails through the woods and it was pretty exciting, and you're going to see me along the trail. There was an old television and I took a shot at it. So stay tuned, it's pretty exciting. We went through some rivers and it's pretty cool. So stay tuned and check it out. I just gotta say, I guess you can tell by the colors we are mid-October right now. It's very cold. I can't wait to get into the woods because it's really cold. No wind in the forest. We are on the road to the cabin, and normally across here we see some deer, see some, not really ducks or geese, but definitely grouse. There's grouse along here as well, and hopefully I get lucky this evening and find a grouse. This time I gotta say, I remembered my binoculars in case I gotta look for the deer. Got binoculars. Here we are, folks, in the middle of the woods, and I gotta say the wind has significantly died down. Much more enjoyable ride for sure. So yeah, it's a great evening in the woods to take a tour on the trails. Gotta say, folks, if you're looking for a side-by-side, this Pioneer 500 is amazing. As you just saw back there, she can go through almost anything. What we're doing here is going down the side of the highway, making a big circle, and we're going back down to where you saw in the beginning of the video the power lines were. So it's just a big circle, but we have to go down the side of the highway to get there. Is that a TV? Well, folks, I gotta tell you, I'm not a big TV watcher, but that looks like a good target for me to try. I think I'll give it a try. Safety's off. She's smoking. All right, guys, here we are back to the power lines, but I gotta say, there's no shelter here from the wind. My fingers are getting a little tingly, and it's starting to rain. So I'm hoping to get back before it rains. I gotta go all the way down to the power lines and then a couple dirt roads. See what I got. Wow, thanks for joining me today. Hi, puppy. Thank you. Oh, guys, settle down. Oh, they're excited. So I'm back at the cabin. Thankfully, I made it back before it started to rain, which was great. And made some turkey soup today from the Thanksgiving carcass. So I'm excited for that. My fingers are so cold. Yeah, warm on my fingers. So guys, thanks again for joining me on my trail ride, and subscribe, click all the buttons, and I'll see you in the next video. It was fun.